A Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investment system in which funds that new investors contribute are used to pay returns for existing investors. In Peterson v. Katten Muchin Rosenman, the court considered a lawyer's duty in advising a fund involved in a Ponzi scheme. A group of investor funds did business with entities controlled by Thomas Petters. The funds loaned money to Petters. Petters then purportedly financed inventory for Costco. The funds told their investors that there were two forms of security for the fund's advances. Paperwork by Petters showed the inventory Petters furnished and Costco's promise to pay. A lockbox bank account was made for Costco to deposit its payments for the funds to draw on. Petters insisted the funds shouldn't contact Costco directly because it would upset the business relations he had developed with Costco. Gregory Bell managed the funds. Bell said that according to Petters, Costco insisted on paying one of Petters' entities. Bell and the funds lied to their investors and said the money came directly from Costco. Costco never had any dealings with Petters and never put any money into the lockbox account. The money was from a Petters entity. Petters was running a Ponzi scheme. The law firm of Katten Muchin Rosenman worked with the funds to advise them on how to structure their transactions with Petters. Katten was involved during the principal contract negotiations, and 4 years later when the funds asked Katten what to do after Petters claimed Costco was late paying him. The truth was that Petters had fallen behind in payments to the account. The funds went bankrupt. Ronald Peterson was appointed as trustee. Peterson felt Katten had committed malpractice by violating its duty to tell the funds that the arrangement with Petters posed a risk. Peterson believed Katten didn't recognize the possibility of fraud and should have advised the funds differently, including warning the funds of the risk that Petters wasn't running a real business. Peterson sued multiple parties, including Katten, alleging that they failed to detect the situation and help limit the risks. The court dismissed the complaint for failure to state a claim on which relief could be granted. Peterson appealed.